How to link to a subpage in Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to link to a subpage in Notion. Just make sure to stick with me till the end so you don't miss any of the simple steps to make your workspace more connected and easier to navigate. So let's get right into it. First, open your browser and go to the official Notion homepage. Once you're there, click on the login button. If your Google account is already linked with Notion, just hit Continue with Google and select the correct account. That'll get you logged in quickly. Now, once you're inside your workspace, pick the page where you want to add the subpage link. Find a text box. This is where you'll insert the link. Just type link into the text box. This is one of Notion/commands that brings up different options. From the list, click on Link to Page. Notion will then show a list of all your pages. Choose the one you want to link to. This could be any subpage within your workspace. Once you click on it, a link gets created right there on your page. That's it. You've now successfully linked to a subpage in Notion. Try this out and see how much smoother your workflow gets. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.